Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Anaconda on Windows machine. What is Anaconda? Well, Anaconda is an open source distribution of Python in R programming language for data science related applications. It has very nice tools including Spider, Jupyter Notebook and many others. So first of all, click on Google and search Anaconda. You need to click on first anaconda.com, and at the top it should show the download here, and when you click on download it should download the Anaconda automatically. It has 787 MB, so it will take some time, and when it is fully downloaded you just need to install it by just following some steps. And once it is downloaded and installed on your PCs, you need to search here Anaconda. So here Anaconda prompt, Anaconda navigator. So first we need to look at Anaconda navigator. Click on Anaconda navigator. It has taken a few seconds to initialize the Anaconda navigator. So here you can see some pre-installed tools like Jupyter Lab, Notebook, PyCharm, Spider, uh, and PyCharm Professional R Studio. So here you can launch different tools. For example, I'm going to launch Jupyter Notebook. Just click on launch Jupyter Notebook. It will launch Jupyter Notebook and you can start your basic programs in Python. In the coming videos I will show you how to launch Jupyter Notebooks from your drives. I hope it helps you in downloading and installing Anaconda distribution on your PCs.